Hi everyone, welcome to Two Stroke Maniac. Today I will be featuring a Java 250 on my video. Ideal Java produced motorcycles in India from 1961 to 1996, and this is a 1974 model Java 250cc. Today I will showcase some unique features of Java. People used to write vehicle numbers on the front mudguard those days. And Java front mudguard is very different from other SD models. It was very long and wider compared to later SD models like Classic 250. As this is a 1974 model, there is no Java logo written on its clutch cover. Here, the gear lever doubles up as a kicker. It's one of the unique features of Java. The bottle type petrol filter. As this is a 1974 model, this bike came with a stud type of exhaust. The earlier models came with a flower nut, which is commonly called as jalebi nuts. The ignition key of Java is unique. Right now it's in off, on. At number 1, parking and brake lights will be turned on. On number 3, headlight will be turned on. And this is the horn dipper switch. This is for horn, low beam and the high beam. The accelerator unit is different from other SDs. Old accelerator unit. The cable goes inside the handle and connects into the carburetor. You can see the Java logo on its key and on its tank cap. This bike is one of the last models which Java used to produce. Later, from 1975, SD started manufacturing SD Model B 250cc. As you can see, the chain case is round in shape and the footrests are round footrests. The seat shape of the Java is also different. The earlier models came with a tail lamp assembly like this. This is for parking and tail lamp light, and this is the brake light. The tank cap of a Java is very different from other bikes. It is made of bakelite material. The ignition key of Java is also different. The part here gives you the access for toolbox and battery box. As you can see, this part goes in here and we have to press it like this and it opens. Here we can place our tools. And this is the brake light switch of Java. Let's hear the exhaust note of the bike. Keep watching and please subscribe, share and click on the bell icon for more content on Java and HDs and also other two-stroke bikes.